Licorice, it's been a favorite snack since early history. In fact, huge amounts were even found in King Tut's tomb. Traditionally, licorice meant the use of the licorice root, but today somehow the term has come to encompass what we know as both black and red licorice. And even though the red kind is actually strawberry flavored, we still love it as a licorice treat. Let's just say it's licorice with a twist. Here in the peaceful Pennsylvania countryside, all appears quiet and calm. But there's something very twisted going on. Tons of twirling candy is made at the Twizzler factory, located, of course, on a turn in the road near Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This delicious licorice has been around since the 1920s, and throughout history's twists and turns, the Twizzler keeps rolling along. So what makes this candy special?
Well, I really do believe that the twist in the Twizzler does make the Twizzler.
Wow, that's a tongue twister. But how do they get that twist into the Twizzler? The candy starts as a basic blend of cornstarch, corn syrup, flour, sugar, and flavorings. This mix is then pushed through these patented nozzles. The way they work is so secret, we'll have to keep our tongues truly tied. But here's the general idea.
It twists and twists and twists until the Twizzler comes out just so twisty.
Twizzlers are always popular with moviegoers. They don't melt, stick, or spill. And with an average of 20 Twizzlers per package, they're easily shared. So are Twizzlers the main attraction at the concession stand?
Twizzlers are second to popcorn. The #1 candy sold at the movies.
With Twizzlers in such high demand, the factory turns out almost 200 tons a day.
If you relay our Twizzlers end to end, you can go from the East Coast to the West and start back again. That's a lot of candy.
Now, here's a little-known Twizzler tidbit. Each licorice stick contains about 2.5 curves per inch.
On an average, you get 15 twists per Twizzler.
So next time you're at the movies, see which has more twists, the latest Hollywood thriller or that familiar tasty Twizzler.